Hey guys, another update on the KITT Replica. This time we're going to talk specifically about the windshield. So, I don't know if you guys can notice from this video, I think you can, but this windshield is 100% clear. There is no tint across the top like you'd find in the factory GM windshield that would have come with this car from the factory. This is, in fact, a leftover new old stock windshield made specifically for the show back in the 80s. This came from Billy Gunter whenever this car was purchased, and he got it directly from the company that made the windshields for the show back in the day. So it's new old stock. It's never been installed before this car, and take a little closer look at it so you can see that it is in fact clear across the top. And one thing you may notice right here is the rear view mirror mount. So all of the windshields for the show were made with that windshield or rear view mirror mount installed. And if you look early first season, even through the end of the first season, you'll see a lot of the screen used cars still had that mount there, even though there was no mirror. But starting in about season 2, you don't really see that mount anymore. They started removing them. But since we're doing an authentic pilot recreation, we are going to leave that mount on, even though there won't be a mirror attached. So there you go. There is the clear windshield.